Hi all, welcome back to Whynot Adventures, fellow adventurers. Today myself and Mother are walking the Meduxnekeag Nature Preserve again. But this time we're doing the Red Trail because we didn't do it last time. So we're coming up to the trailhead, and when I get there we might do like a little video again. Who knows? Hopefully you all enjoy this trail with me. Hi, also we're here at the Red Trail trailhead. We walk down this, and the trailhead's here, following the red post. So without further ado, let's get to it. Well, we're out here on the trail, walking. It's a lot different than the blue trail though. Like, look at this. It's more, I don't know, it's more tree cover, a lot of tree cover. Very pretty though. Look at that tree though. Like, I don't know, I just really enjoy it. Looks like we have a little swamp river crossing. Let's see what it is. Hey, so we're coming up on a little bridge in a creek, and I thought I would show it to you all. So there's the bridge coming up on us quickly. And look at this creek. Isn't that nifty? Little creek right here in the middle of the nature preserve. But look at that. It almost looks good enough to drink. Alright, so we just came from the red trail, which connects to the blue trail for a few posts, and then it turns right and continues on the red trail. So we're back on the red trail, and it's starting to get a bit hilly. Nothing I can't handle. Mother's having probably a hard time, but it's Mother. She'll get over it. She's doing good, she says. She's good, she says. We'll see. Stay tuned. So everyone, we're coming up to another bridge, and there's this cool little rope thing here to help you along if you need it. I didn't really need it, but I used it anyway. It just never hurts to be safe. So yeah, this is what we're coming up to. Mother's leading the way, so you're gonna see her. We're coming down this. It looks like it could get a bit swampy, but there's like little pieces of wood put in. So keep going, red post. Bridge. This is a new bridge, it looks like. That's probably the old one. And here's the little creek. This is a nice little trail. So we just went from the little creek bed up a little hill, and now we're in this little pine forest, as you can see. And it's really nice. Yeah, it looks kind of scary to some of you, but it's enjoyable. And it's really easy on the feet because our feet are walking on pine needles. Like, look at that, pine needles. More pine needles. More pine needles. Pine needles are cool. So here we are, we're on the red trail still, obviously, and we met up with the yellow trail. But, not sure, but I think this branches off the yellow trail eventually, goes back to the red trail and finishes, or it stays on the yellow and the red share it to the end. We'll find out, and I'll let y'all know. Hi, so the yellow branched off, but it's still the yellow and red trail, and we came up to this nifty little box called "Please sign in," and we're gonna see what it says.
It's just everybody signed in that's done the trail. Lots of
That's pretty neat.
And it's full.
Full.
Oh, here's a page that's got some room.
We found some room.
Today's the 9th.
That it is.
Here we go.
Pretty nifty, ain't it? Alright, so we just finished the red trail, which had a little bit of the yellow on it as well for some reason, because they share the same trail, obviously. And Mother's here with me still. She survived, again, thankfully. She makes good food. So tell me, Mother, how did you find the trail?
This trail was much easier than the last one, and I really enjoyed it.
That's good. Anything you really enjoyed the most?
The water.
That's good. I liked it as well. I would say it was enjoyable. The water was neat. The pine forest was beautiful. It smelled good. A few creepy trees, but we got those on pictures. So, till next time, fellow adventurers, I'm Whynot.